I'm often trying to find ways to help clients or guests or just general friends and family find a unique and different way to get their hair off of their face. This is something that I've gotten good feedback from. It kind of adds a fun little flair to getting your hair away from your face. So I start by pulling all of the hair really gently away from the face and over to one side of the head or the other. Just kind of feel the balance. Nothing really tight. I want this to be kind of loose and free. I don't want it to look too overly done. I pull all the hair to one side, put in my first band. I then give the hair a little twist so that when I put in my second band, it will cause like a little bit of a poof to pop up in between the two bands. And I want to leave that little poof in there. The bands are your choice. I find these nice little, pastel colors kind of go well together, but have fun with it. There's a lot of different ways you can play with this. So have fun with your bands, and put things together, create a fun, fashionable look. Remember, don't try so hard. Keep everything soft and gentle and natural. So I place a third band down at the end, again, creating that little poof. And then I go through and kind of deconstruct all of these little poofs a little bit. Give the hair a little bit more softness, a little bit, not so put together, kind of like, hey, I just did this fun thing all by myself. I'll then go through and just check my balance, look at everything, make sure everything sits well together. If I am doing this on someone else, or I will make a recommendation that I kind of start that initial side ponytail a little bit higher on the head, because what ends up happening is as you're working out and as you're moving around, you'll find these sometimes drop down a little bit. So I kind of plan ahead. Have fun. I usually like to finish off with a little bit of Loma hairspray. So have fun with it, enjoy it.